welcome back. It has been a while, but I'm back today with a unboxing video of my new Filofax. I did already peek at it a little bit, but I wanted to unbox it on camera since I haven't done that in a really long time. I went ahead and bought the new pocket planner from Filofax. I was really feeling drawn back to pocket size. Just feel like my A5 is way too much space for me right now, so I moved to my A6, but I also really want to have a pocket size planner that I have fully set up. So this is the new Norfolk organizer. I'm so excited about this because I've been looking for a new pocket planner for a while and I didn't feel like spending like $200-300 on like a Gilio. The one thing I noticed right away is that it is really stiff, so I'm gonna have to try to like break it in a little bit before I use it, but I'm gonna go ahead and take off this little like plastic wrap. So this is what the kind of like shell of the agenda is gonna look like. The rings are pretty big in this agenda, which is what I was looking for. You've got a front pocket right here, which is a zipper pocket, so I'm thinking like stickers or like little cards that I might keep in here. And then the back side has a full-length pocket, and then it has 4 card slots right here, and then pen loop is kind of hidden back here, which is really nice. So these are the inserts that were included. We've got front flyleaf here, 24 planner. It's a week on 2 pages. It has kind of like a yearly spread here, both 2024 and 2025. It's got some little extra pages in the front, so big plans with all of the months listed here. To-dos, special dates, goals, notes. And then it has a like cover page for the month with some dot grid. Then you've got some more dot grid, lined paper for notes, and then you go into your weekly spread. So these have a week on 2 pages, and they're horizontal. I probably will not be using any of these. I did buy my own inserts, of course, but I will be using like the extra paper that's in the back here. They always include like some extra note paper, which I will keep in here, and then they did change out their dividers, so I probably will end up using these. These are just white dividers, and then these are laminated little tabs. So I'll just kind of decide if I want to use these in here, if I need like another set of dividers. I don't think I'll need them, but I'll hold on to them. And then there's extra notes in the back too, which I will just hold on to for note paper. Comes with a little ruler and then the clear pocket, which I always keep these because they're always super handy. So I did get some of my own inserts though, of course. So I got inserts from Peanuts Planner Co. and from Infinite Lotus. So starting with Infinite Lotus, I got a couple of dashboards here. So the first one is this super cute, it's like a national park theme. I just felt like it really fit with like the color scheme of the agenda. I thought it would look really nice. And then I also got this 2024 year at a glance. We're already halfway through the year, but I just like to have this in there as like an extra, like little functional dashboard. So I got those. And then I got the bill trackers. So these are yearly bill trackers. You write down like your bill, the due date, amount, and then you can check off each month. These are going to be for like specific sets of bills that I'm going to write these on. And then after that, I also got these little like notes pages. So it has checklist at the top and then grid at the bottom. I'm always so happy with my Infinite Lotus orders. They're just perfect and the quality's amazing. So always have to have that. And then I did end up going to Peanuts Planner Co. To get some additional inserts for here. So I got a few different styles of inserts. So it's got your financial routine at the top, bill tracker, and then a debt tracker down at the bottom. And then I wanted to try some of her dailies, the little daily fold outs. The next insert is a weekly like schedule layout. So I really liked these inserts and how she was using them on her website. So I'm kind of taking inspiration from her on this. It's a Monday through Friday schedule, and then it has the days of the week lined out this way, so you can put in the times and then create your weekly schedule. This is super helpful if you have a schedule that changes a lot, or if you work from home or you set your own hours, or if you have like a partner who's gone for a couple days or works different shifts. It's just super helpful to be able to plan out your week. So I've already used a couple of these because I have them in my A6 planner as well. I love them. I usually like to go in and just kind of map out like when I'm working, when I have like time blocks of things that I have to get done, And then I've also been using them for like goal specific things. So I'll block out time specifically for like training my dogs or workouts or going to the gym. And it just makes like my weekly schedule run so much smoother. So love these. And then for a weekly spread, I got these inserts, which are another like weekly pullout. Monday through Wednesday, Thursday through Sunday over here. And then it has extra space for a little bit of listing, but they fold up really nicely. So just to kind of flip through everything and how I organize it. Couple things in the front here. I've got Flyleaf in the front, Infinite Lotus dashboard. I have my 2024 year to glance. And then this is a pullout from Peanuts Planner Co. with just like chores and things that I have to do, tasks. First divider right now is going to be my daily spreads. I love them. They're so cute. After that, I have my weekly section, which I have kind of divided into 2 sections right now. So these are the Monday through Friday weekly schedules. So I'm going to have these in the front. For when I need them. These are more going to be for like referencing. First week of the month I do different things than the third week of the month and so on. So these are just kind of like set schedules in here. This is my dog training schedule. All of these are going to be a little bit different. And then my workout schedule, which I still need to complete. Some extra inserts, and then I have a piece of acetate in the middle that goes to my weekly foldouts. So these are a week on 2 pages. Love these. After that, I have my finance section. All of my other planning, like my financial planning and kind of just like my day-to-day schedule is actually all digital now. So I really don't use a planner to like actually keep track of like important things like bills and all of that. I like to have them written down so I can physically check them off. But I already have kind of like a digital way of planning certain things in my life and keeping up with like my actual schedule. So then I have bill tracker here. I'm going to make a couple of these because I'm going to group them into like different bill categories. And then these are the Infinite Lotus like notes pages, and I'm going to be probably using these for like very specific like projects and tasks. I just started decluttering my entire apartment, so I'm kind of planning that out here. That is the last divider for this front half. The back half is all reference. And it's mostly just passwords. So I have 3 bottom dividers, and I have them divided between important passwords, work passwords, and then like social media passwords, Netflix, things that aren't as important. And then I've got another piece of acetate in the back here, and that is pretty much it for now. I'm just going to keep it, as simple as I can. It is very stuffed, but I'm sure I'll kind of mess with this over the next couple weeks and take things out or remove certain inserts or find a place for the monthlies. I'm just kind of, gonna get the hang of how I want to have this set up and how I want to use it. Let me know what you think if you have one of these new Norfolk planners. Were you able to get it to be a little bit more flexible? I feel like it's really stiff, but I'm hoping if I just kind of play with it a little bit and like, fold it back and forth, it'll be a little bit more pliable and then lay flat. So let me know what you guys think, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you next time. Bye.